Holy Ram Navami celebrated in different places of Cuttack on the occasion of Holy Ram Navami. Today, Shirdi Sai Baba Shawari Sobha Yatra and worship of this big festival with Pala Bhajan Kirtan for Lord Ramchandra were celebrated in different places of Cuttack cities, and various Sai temple institutions distributed drinks and prasads. Cuttack is a city of brotherhood. Different culture and traditions are celebrated together by people from different religions. Shirdi Sai Baba's prayer, puja and Jawadi Sobha Yatra were conducted in various places including College Chowk, Sikarpur, Deoli Sahi and Ganesh Ghat, and many places celebrated Ram Navami, which was completely in an orderly manner with the support of big companies and politicians of various political parties. Report from Cuttack Bharat Digital Live.